guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Okay, but before we'll do the balloon tutorial, I'm gonna show you guys first the balloon equipments, or what are the balloon essentials that I normally use when I do my decorations. So first, I'm gonna show you my hand pump. This kind of pump, it's a latex brand, and this kind of pump is it's a double action. It's a double action pump, which means that when you move the pump, it inflates the balloon. So unlike this single action pump, this is also a latex brand, and it's kind of sturdy. I like these pumps. It's kind of sturdy, and I've been using this for a year already, and it's still working really good. So this red one is a single action pump. So I'm gonna show you the difference. Can I borrow?
No,
I have a little helper here.
I didn't use gold.
Okay, 10 pumps of a balloon compared to a 10 pumps of this single action pump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you go. So this is how big it is for the double action pump. Can you give me one balloon, please? Thank you. While this single action pump, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you go. So see the difference? So for me, I really love this pump. You can pump the balloon easily. It has a good grip also compared to this. I'll just deflate this one compared to this one. Okay, so that's the difference of a single action pump and a double action balloon pump. See, you can check if it's like the authentic latex balloon. There's a logo in the pump. And this one also, you can see the logo there. I assure you, these pumps are really sturdy. Okay, so next is my electric balloon pump. Okay, so I got this from Amazon. I'll include a link below so you can check the item out. It's I believe $30, I think, when I purchased this one. I purchased this 2 years ago, so which means that I can really tell you guys that this is a really good pump, and I've been using this every weekend. I'm gonna show you guys here. This one is the okay, so this one, when you push it down, so it inflates the balloon. This one is, there's 2 valves here, which you can use to inflate both balloon at a time. There you go. So this one, you just have to push it and it inflates a balloon already. Okay, and then it also comes with a smaller, I don't know what you call this, but it's a smaller valve or pin that this this valve is used for small balloons, like small opening of balloons, or the foil balloons. You can blow this up with foil balloons too. You just have to attach it over here. And then, so I recommend to you guys to purchase this electric pump. It makes your life so much easier when making balloons. Okay, so I normally rent helium tank. This helium tank here, when I tried it and compare it to the disposable one, it floats for up to 24 hours. So I regularly use this one now compared to the disposable tanks. So sometimes when you rent a tank, they have there are filler valves that's included in the rental fee. But in my case, because I also fill up with foil balloons, I bought this myself because what I love about this valve is that you can inflate latex balloons with a separate valve, and the foil balloons in a different valve too. And what I love about this is it has a gauge that's showing how much of helium that's left in the tank. So this high float balloon treatment, I believe you can get this from Party City, or I've seen this actually in Walmart too. This will help your balloons to float for up to, okay, so it says here for up to 25 times more than the usual floating times. So I tried this already. So when I inflate latex balloons without this balloon treatment, it normally lasts for 24 hours. But if I put a treatment like this high float balloon treatment, it lasts up to, I would say, 2 to 3 days. Or I'm just gonna give you a quick difference of this two balloon ties that I normally use. Okay, for me personally, I love to use knitting yarn. It's a knitting yarn which you can find actually in Dollar Tree or dollar store, any dollar store. Okay, the difference is that for the curling ribbon, I find it really like it pops the balloon easily. I don't know why. Maybe it's because it has a sharp edges. I'm not sure. But I find my balloons pop easily when I use curling ribbon. That's for me personally. But with the knitting yarn, because the material is fabric, it's soft, and yeah, because it's fabric, right? Okay. So I think that's the difference. But I also sometimes use this curling ribbon. Okay. Next is my favorite one, which is the fishing line. This fishing line is what I use for my balloon garlands. I know you guys seen lots of videos using balloon strips, like those balloon strips that has holes on it to do your balloon garland. But for me personally, I use this fishing line, and I'm gonna show you with my other videos, like the balloon garland videos, why I like to use this fishing line. So next is balloon glue dots. Use this for my balloon garlands to fill up those gaps, but I'm gonna show you later. But I use this balloon glue dots for latex balloons, especially for balloon garlands. Okay guys, I think that's it for my balloon equipment. Just comment below if you have more questions, but feel free to check on the description box where to I'm gonna include a link where to grab the valve for the helium tank, this high float, and for my electric pump. Okay, thanks for watching guys. See you in my next video. Bye!